Okay, you are welcome to Authority Educational Revision class. Now, this is segment 2 of our revision class. In this place, the question reads, propine plus 2 mole of ACl, give A, identify A. First, you should know what propine is. You write the formula that propine is CH3, solution, Ca3, C, triple bond, CH. This is propine reacting with 2 moles of ACl. The way the reaction is going to proceed, we are going to proceed this step by step, stage by stage, because it involves triple bond. So triple bond will convert to double bond before single bond. That is why it gives 2 moles. So let's first of all react with 1 mole. React with what? 1 mole ACHBr, 1 mole. When this react with this, we are reacting with HBr. Marconi's rule must take place. What am I saying? Marconi's rule must take place, which means hydrogen will be added to where there is more hydrogen in the triple bond here. Then bromine will go to the one without hydrogen. Now the reaction moves like hydrogen will be added to this. Then bromine now will be added to this. From what rule, class? Marconi's rule. So that we are going to have CH3, CBr, CH2. Now, this double bond, triple bond are now converted to double bond. Now, another stage of reactions will be another HBr. HBr will now come in. The same thing. This is asymmetrical, which is unsymmetrical compound. So Marconi's rule must take place. Here, hydrogen will go to where there is more hydrogen, and bromine will go to where there is less hydrogen. So it will become CH3, CBr, Br, CH what? CH3. This is the final compound. So this compound is called 2,2 dibromopropane. So the right answer is 2,2 dibromopropane. That represents A. Please remember that Marconi's rule must take place. A is 2,2 dibromopropane. Now let's go to our second question. Our second question reads, hydromethane plus magnesium in the presence of dry ether gives C. What is C? What does C represent? Class, you should know that this is alloalkane. Alloalkane reacts with magnesium in ether. That gives us what? Grignard reagent. That gives us what? Grignard reagent. So it will be C now, will be, you have Ca3, I plus Mg in the presence of dry ether. Magnesium here will come and sandwich itself there. That is it. To have Ca3, Mg, I. This is Grignard reagent, an organometallic compound that will help in organic synthesis. Many compounds are synthesized from this compound, Grignard reagent. So the right answer now is C from the options. Take the options. So C here represents Grignard reagent. Thank you very much. What for the next